सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। हरि ओम। रूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। हरि ओम। Swagatam and welcome all of you to this special and joyous occasion of the release of the Malayalam version of Krishna's Bhatta for champion students. Kannande Naruvenna, Kuttikali Samartharakkan. This book is also published by Midam Charitable Trust and was printed at Vedika Graphics, Nagpur. First of all, I would like to welcome all the dignitaries who are present today, with the first welcome to our chief guest, Shri Madhusudan R. Damli, the founder and president of Midam Charitable Trust. Welcome, sir. A great welcome to Dr. Bhavna Badhe, the author of Krishna's Bhatta for the champion students, the English version, which was later on translated into Marathi and Hindi by Shri Arvind Sandorkar. And now we have the latest edition, the Malayalam version. Welcome. Another warm welcome to Shri Kiranjit Sharma ji, who is the headmaster of Kendriya Vidyalaya, JIPMA, for translating the Krishna's Bhatta book into Malayalam in a record time. It was almost divine providence that it happened in a very short time, and he did it in 1 month. So welcome, and we are very happy that you are also a part of this great function today. Next, I would also like to welcome Shri Murali Krishnan ji, who has been associated with Midam Charitable Trust for several years and who is a well-known and eminent social worker as well as a Sanskrit research scholar whose command and love for Sanskrit is unparalleled. Welcome, sir. Suswagatam. Welcome to you. We welcome you also on this special occasion. Today, the book release of this Kannande Naruvenna will be done by Shri Madhusudan R. Damli. Before the book release, I would like to give a small introduction of what Midam Charitable Trust has been doing. Since its inception in 2011, Midam Charitable Trust has been engaging in a wide range of activities in social work. From the upliftment of women through the Mahila Kalyan Nidhi, to the education of young children through the Bal Kalyan Yojana, and also their nourishment to ensure that the children attend their tuitions regularly. Apart from this, Midam has also been conducting free Vedic chanting as a therapy for the children with special needs. This program has now been recognized by scientists as VCIP, the Vedic Chants Intervention Program. And all across India, there are centers which are doing research on how this VCIP can work as a therapy for the management of children with special needs. This has also been recognized by the Government of India, and a multi-institutional study is taking place on the same, which is sponsored by the Department of Biotechnology. Latest, which is also ongoing since 2015, is the Krishna's Bhatta project, where we are taking the principles of the Gita to young children. And again, this was the great initiative by Dr. Bhavna Badhe, blessed by Shri Madhusudan Damli ji, who gave the direction. In fact, the very name Krishna's Bhatta was conceived by Damli ji. As everyone approached, Dr. Bhavna Badhe had approached myself and others, we were all wondering how we can take Gita to little children. And that was how this project got its name also, Krishna's Bhatta. Damli ji, who is always very practical in his approach, he said, we want to take practical principles of the Gita to the little children, and there was nothing more beloved to Krishna than butter. So why not have Krishna's Bhatta as the name of the project? And that name clicked. So Krishna's Bhatta became Krishna Navneet, Yashwant Chhatro ke liye, Yashwant Vidyarthan Sati, and now it is Kannande Naruvenna in Malayalam. Soon we will have Tamil, Kannada and other versions, and hopefully in all regional languages of India. So with this small introduction, I turn to today's function, where the first event is going to be the Lokarpanam, or the book release of Kannande Naruvenna by Shri Madhusudan R. Damli. Namaste.
Hari Om, Namaste. I welcome all
and specifically Dr. Bhavna, who is the writer of a book, Krishna's Butter, meant for champion students. Then Kiranjit ji, who is the translator of this book in Malayalam language. A very enthusiastic young teacher. He is a headmaster in Central School. And he has done a very good work. Then Murali Krishnan, a research scholar of Sanskrit, associated with us for last many years. He has done the final checking work of this book, who is also present here. And all of us we know Srishrit, he is also present here. So with all this, on this occasion of Ghatasthaphana, we are going to release the Malayalam book. This project, and about this project, Dr. Bhavna is going to talk in detail. I am just giving you a gist. In the year 2015, one concept came. What was that? Dr. Bhavna approached me one day and she said that I am finding some difficulties in teaching to the postgraduate students. They are intelligent, they are understanding all these subjects taught to them. She is a doctor, she is professor, senior professor, and teaching to graduate and postgraduate students. So what was that? No, they lack few things. They are not controlling their anger. They have some, eagerness about something, anxiety, and all sort of things. So I thought that if we teach certain principles of Gita and teach them to be psychologically healthy, then they will grow in good atmosphere and they will bring laurels to our country. I said, Bhavna, this thought is very big. I cannot digest this thought. You please go today, come tomorrow. Till then I will try to understand, think on it. She went. The whole day I was thinking, what is to be done? The Gita itself is a very big thing to understand, and that too for children. No reference available anywhere. Anyway, if the Divine has brought this thought, He will take it ahead. Then whole day I was busy in my work. By evening, a thought came to me. I said, it's okay. See, we are going to talk to children. We were children sometime before. And we can talk to them in that language. The way we understood few things and we did not understand. Yeah, in those days. So this was all that. From next day we started working on this and things went. Bhavna will tell you in detail about that. The first book was released in English. Then my friend Arvind Chandorkar, he on his own came forward and said that I want to translate this very book, very interesting, in Marathi language. I said, okay. Then the translation was done, it was very good. Ultimately again he came to me and said, how about translating it into Hindi? I said, okay, go ahead. I have been doing the same thing. Things are going ahead like that. And then it was released in Central School. This went on, and the second edition also. Well, all these books were printed in Nagpur in Vedika Graphics. The printers are Harish Joglekar and Deepali Joglekar, his wife. They are very enthusiastic, meticulous in their working. They started the work long back with the screen printing at home, and somehow today they have latest machinery for modern printing. So my thanks to them. They have done a very good work. They have done printing for English second edition, Marathi, Hindi, and now Malayalam also. So very good work they have done. I am very much thankful to them on behalf of Midam Trust. Now this book was released, and this COVID time started. during this time, what happened that once when we were taking Sunday classes, Miss Bhavna, one young lady would come and attend the class along with her two small daughters. First year she came, she thought my daughters are becoming good in behavior, they are understanding, they are taking interest in drama, everything. She got interested and asked Bhavana, Bhavana ma'am, can I teach them? Can you give me some lessons? Then Dr. Bhavana added very happily because I also knew her and we had a small meeting. I said, you go ahead. And very interestingly, she started classes then. And in this COVID time, she expressed that she would teach this online, Krishna's button. We agreed. She started this. One batch, second batch, third batch. In a day, she was doing 3 batches. So many students from India and abroad, they started coming to us. What to do? Dr. Bhavana took up the work and then she started classes in the evening after finishing her job in Jimper as a doctor. Then slowly the pressure was increasing. Children were interested. Even the elderly people sitting along with them, their parents and grandparents, they were also interested. So we took a small meeting and then requested our youngest member, Avanti, can you please take classes in English? She said how I am going to do and all that. And so many things were there, some operation had to be done, so many other things, and she started taking very happily. Afterwards, we requested her, after successful classes, I think 700 batches, then we requested her to take classes in Marathi because Marathi students were deprived of this. Nowadays, everybody understands English, that is another thing. But Marathi language must be taught. And so, we had a book. She started in Marathi. Then elderly people, those who were around these children, they were observing them coming up. They got interested. Means the children started teaching and asking questions to their parents and grandparents, and they have shown a very good, change in their attitude. They started helping them, doing some work, stopped fighting, so many things. And then Sushrut started elderly classes for them. He started early morning classes, considering that the students and the seekers from USA and other countries also can join. This is how he started. He has also completed, I think, 6-7 batches, and it is going on. So, one very important thing I'll tell you, that where you see chanting is going on for Sanskrit, as far as Sanskrit is concerned. Oh, chant this. Then take competition of chanting Sanskrit shlokas. But when we started giving them homework, oh, my dear children, today we have learned what is sattvic, rajasic, and tamasic food. Tomorrow you tell me what food you take, what you like, what is your nature. Then rajas, tamas, all these things they started. Oh, my brother is rajas. He keeps on dancing whole day. I just cannot tell you and sum up all these examples in a short period. You will have to go through it. If you demand, we will send you all that. And with all this, I request the young teachers one more very important thing, that ours is not an institution started with some view. It has just come out. When the translator of Malayalam came to me, we were just talking. I said, dear sir, this is not a institution. हमारी कोई संगठना नहीं है, ये एक घटना है. Accidentally we got this, and by the grace of the divine Lord Krishna, we are progressing. So if you are going to teach them, please see that you don't teach, you talk to them. Because very well said by the mother of Sri Aurobindo Ashram that nothing can be taught. People come, they learn. So it is how you serve. So I take it as I am serving little Krishnas. My dear teachers, you please take them like that. I would again add name of Thorviji. She has been very interesting, very loving, and she has been taking a lot of troubles. I told her, once you please don't take the trouble like this, that you will not, people of your members in the family will be disturbed. So Chitra said, no, they have accepted it, and I am doing it happily. So the first teacher in the group, Chitra Thorvi, I again thank her. And those who are learning, or those who want to take classes in future to serve little Krishnas, they should understand this principle. And now the major event of the day, releasing of book Krishna's Butter in Malayalam language. With illustrations. The truth. There are many illustrations, very easily understood by the students. So all the best to everybody. With these few words, I take your leave. And I say that there is no, but only one Guru in the world, Krishnam Vande Jagat Guru.
Today is a very auspicious day. It's a very happy day for Krishna's Butter team. We are celebrating the release of the book Krishna's Butter for Champion Student, the Malayalam translation. Kannande Neruenna Kuttikela Samatharakkan. I wish to say few words to you. I am a senior professor in Autonomous Medical Institute, Jitmar, Pondicherry. During my tenure, I have come across many students, the undergraduate as well as the postgraduate students. I found the intellectual growth is happening enormously. However, some of them I found to be suffering because of lack of development in their personality. And I thought I must do something for it. I tried to tell some things to some people, but I very strongly felt that the change has to happen when they are young and when they are in the school. That led me to my teacher, Sri Madhusudan Raghunath Damleji. He has a huge experience of his life, and his life he led according to the principles of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So I decided to go to him, and one day I went to him and asked him, "Sir, I want to take the values from Srimad Bhagavad Gita to the school children. I have come to discuss about it to you." Immediately he said, "You come tomorrow." Naturally, he had to digest the request from me and also give me a proper advice. So we met next day. And I told him my wish to take the values to school children. He smiled and he said, "There is no reference for such work. The only reference that we have is our childhood. We must go to our childhood days and try to find out how we can take this value to the school children." That was a great happiness to me. Immediately, I took my Bhagavad Gita from Gorakhpur, Sanskrit into Marathi, as well as one diary and a pen, and immediately started writing my plan about the project. And that resulted into the project, and I wrote down the entire plan that day, and we decided that every Saturday we will meet and decide upon what are the shlokas to be selected for the school children. I wanted to take all the 18th chapter to the school children, and all the values from all the 18 chapters should be imbibed by the student, and not only imbibed but they should practice it in their day-to-day life. With this plan, every Saturday I used to go to Sri Damleji, and he told me that I should start my work with the practicals. So immediately I have selected a school, Vidyaniketan from Pondicherry, and the correspondent gave me 20 minutes from the school time, and from the 9th class student I started teaching Bhagavad Gita in 20 minutes. So every Saturday the chapters and the shlokas were selected, and the next week I will go and teach it to the students. After all the 18 chapters, when I was taking my last chapter, 18th, at the end of my teaching, I just asked all the participants to take a plain paper and give me the feedback on what they have learned from all the 18 classes of Bhagavad Gita. And when I looked at the feedback, my enthusiasm was never so high. Immediately I took all the papers and went to Sri Damleji to show the results of the experiment that we have done with the school children. And to our great happiness, the children have not only imbibed the values from all the 18 chapters, they have expressed in their own language how everyone was helped differently from each chapter. And they have said that the anger that they show is not good, and they wanted to control their anger, and so many more values that they have found out, which they started using right at the time of the course. So this program went on for another 5 years in the same school, and during initially there was a demand from the students that the teachings have to be in the form of a book, and this resulted into a book form of this teaching material that I have used for teaching the first batch of the student. It was a little difficult to select and take it to the children in the form of book, and suddenly one day Sri Damleji told that the name of the book should be Krishna's Butter for Champion Students, and both the project as well as the book was named after Krishna's Butter project and Krishna's Butter for Champion Student as a book in the form of value education curriculum for the school children. While making the book, Sri Damleji said that we must have some illustrations so that it is easy and digestible to the student. And I must tell you that the central teaching, the shlokas to the school children, had a rhyme form, a poetic form of Bhagavad Gita, recently published by Sushruta Bade in the form of poetic rhyme form, the rhythm of Krishna. All the verses in a poetic form were easy for the students to digest. So we selected the verses in the form of English rhymes of shlokas. Along with that, we wanted to have an illustration, and for illustration, Sri Sushruta and Avanti tried to get volunteers from online, and Preeti Pandurangan came forward, and Sushruta and Preeti Pandurangan designed all the 18 chapter cartoons, and in the form of cartoon illustrations we are taking the values to the school children. So in this book you will find that there is a text for which will give the value education from each adhyaya, selected verses in the form of rhythmic poetic Bhagavad Gita, and the cartoons which will put the values in the minds of the people in the form of the picture. So this book, Krishna's Butter for Champion Students, was designed. Actually, during our classes that we have taken to the students, we also wanted to extend our classes to more students by starting Sunday classes. And the Sunday classes were designed for the age group 5 years and above. and along with the 5 years students and children, their parents also used to accompany for the Sunday classes. And during that time, the extension of the project team happened by the joining of Mrs. Chitra Torviji to this project, who wanted to take the Sunday classes for the students. And later on, it was great to have the extension of this program in the form of online classes. Before the online classes started, one of the students of Sri Damleji, Sri Arvind Sandorkarji, who is the retired manager from the bank from Nagpur, has wished to translate this book into the Marathi form. And you will be surprised, one after another, Sri Arvind Sandorkarji has translated both the Marathi as well as the Hindi translation, Krishna Navaneet, Hindi Chhatron ke liye. And this Krishna Navaneet in Hindi language translation by Sri Arvind Sandorkar was released in a grand form with the help of the principal of Kendriya Vidyalaya of Pondicherry, Sri Matthew Jose. With his help, the celebration and release of the Hindi book of Krishna's Butter happened in the Kendriya Vidyalaya. And on this day, the conception of Malayalam translation of this book had come forward. And you will be surprised to know that a recently joined headmaster from Kendriya Vidyalaya of Pondicherry, Sri Kiranjit Sharma, has consented and translated this book in Malayalam language in less than 1 month. So we are here to celebrate the release of the Malayalam translation of Krishna's Butter for Champion Student by Sri Kiranjit Sharma ji. So you have this is the conception of the Malayalam book happened in 2019, and 2020, in this COVID time, we are here for the online release of this book in Malayalam. I wish to tell that the program started in 2015, and every year, almost every year, we are trying to add one thing or the other new in our project. And with our online project, now the scope of the spread of the values from Bhagavad Gita to children has gone to the international level. And more than 1,000 students are being benefited by these online classes of Bhagavad Gita. During these online classes of Bhagavad Gita, we found some of the parents are willing to be the teachers of Krishna's Butter project. And for them, we have started the teachers training in 2 languages, the English as well as in Marathi language. So now we have got the translation of this book into Hindi, Marathi and Malayalam language today, and soon we are going to have the Tamil and Kannada language translation. And we wish to extend the translations in many languages so that all the language people can relish this particular Bhagavad Gita values and change their life for the good. Thank you.
സദാശിവ സമാരംഭാം ശങ്കരാചാര്യ മധ്യമാം അസ്മദാചാര്യ പര്യന്താം വന്ദേ ഗുരു പരമ്പരാം. ശങ്കരം ശങ്കരാചാര്യം കേശവം ബാദരായണം സൂത്രഭാഷ്യകൃതൗ വന്ദേ ഭഗവന്തൗ പുനഃ പുനഃ. Respected Damleji, Bhavanamba, Kiranjit sir and other great personalities who gathered in this auspicious function. Kannante Naruvenna, Krishna's Butter. I feel happy and proud to be part of this function. കുറച്ചു കാലം മുമ്പേ കേരളത്തിൽ ഒരു പ്രോഗ്രാം നടത്തിയിരുന്നു. സംയോഗി എന്നാണ് ആ പ്രോഗ്രാമിൻ്റെ പേര്. കുറച്ച് കാലത്തിന് ശേഷം അത് തനിയെ നിന്നു പോവുകയോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇപ്പം അതിന് അത്ര ശക്തിയില്ലാത്ത തരത്തിൽ അത് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കുന്നു. ആ പ്രോഗ്രാം ഇതാണ്. സംയോഗി എന്ന് പറയുന്ന സമയത്ത് എല്ലാവരും വിചാരിക്കുക എന്താണ് ഈ പ്രോഗ്രാം? സംസ്കൃതം, യോഗ, ഗീത, ഈ മൂന്നെണ്ണം ചേർന്നിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ഭാരതീയ സംസ്കാരത്തിനെ എല്ലാ ജനങ്ങളിലേക്കും എത്തിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു പദ്ധതിയായിരുന്നു. ഇന്ന് ആ പദ്ധതി അതിൻ്റെ ആ തുടക്കകാലത്തിലുണ്ടായ ശക്തിപൂർണമായിട്ട് നടക്കുന്നില്ല ഇപ്പോൾ. അപ്പോൾ ആ ഒരു ഗ്യാപ്പ് ഇപ്പം നമ്മൾക്ക് ഫീൽ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. നമ്മളുടെ സംസ്കൃതിയും ഇന്നത്തെ കാലത്തിന് ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ അനുയോജ്യവും ഏറ്റവും നല്ല രീതിയിൽ കൊടുക്കേണ്ടതുമായ ഒരു കാര്യമാണ് ഭാരതീയ സംസ്കൃതി. നമ്മളുടെ ഇന്നത്തെ സമൂഹത്തിന് ഏറ്റവും അത്യന്താപേക്ഷിതമായിട്ടുള്ള കാര്യമാണ്. അത് കൊടുക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് പല രീതിയിലും പ്രയത്നിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട് പലരും. അപ്പോൾ ആ ഒരു സിറ്റുവേഷനിൽ നിന്നുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾക്കിപ്പോൾ ചിന്തിക്കാൻ പറ്റാൻ നമ്മളുടെ മുമ്പിൽ ഒരു കാര്യം വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. കണ്ണൻ്റെ നറുവെണ്ണ എന്ന ഈ പ്രോഗ്രാം. ഇത് ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ. നമ്മളുടെ സമൂഹത്തിൻ്റെ ഭാരതീയ സംസ്കൃതിയുടെ ആകത്തുകയായിരിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാം കൊണ്ടും ആകത്തുക എന്ന് പറയാൻ കാരണം വേദം, അതിൻ്റെ വ്യാഖ്യാനങ്ങളെല്ലാം വന്നിട്ടുള്ളതാണ് ഉപനിഷത്തും വേദാന്തവും ഒക്കെ ആയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഇതിൻ്റെ എല്ലാം സാരരൂപത്തിലുള്ള ഒരു വസ്തുതയാണ് ശരിക്കു പറഞ്ഞ ഭഗവത്ഗീത. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ആ ആരംഭം ഈ മംഗള ശ്ലോകത്തിൽ തന്നെ ഞാൻ 2 സൂത്രഭാഷ്യകൃതൗ വന്ദേ ഭഗവന്തൗ പുനഃ പുനഃ. ബ്രഹ്മസൂത്രത്തിന് ശങ്കര ഭാഷ്യം എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു ശങ്കരാചാര്യര്. ബാദരായണ വ്യാസനാണ് ബ്രഹ്മസൂത്രം എഴുതിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. അതുപോലെ ഭഗവത്ഗീത നമ്മളുടെ മുമ്പിലുണ്ട്. അതിനൊരു ഏറ്റവും ചെറിയ കുട്ടികൾക്കായിട്ട് കൊടുക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഭാവന അമ്പ അതിനെ ഒന്ന് ക്രോഡീകരിച്ച് ഒരു കൃഷ്ണാസ് ബട്ടർ എന്നുള്ള രീതിയിൽ അത് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നു. അതിനെ നമ്മൾക്ക് ട്രാൻസ്ലേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് കിരൺജിത്ത് സാറാണ്. അപ്പൊ ഈ 2 പേരും ഇത് ചെയ്യാൻ ഇവർക്ക് പ്രചോദനം എവിടെ നിന്ന് കിട്ടി എന്ന് ചോദിച്ചാൽ, കൃഷ്ണനെ പോലെ നമ്മളെ മുമ്പിൽ നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സുപരിചിതനായ ദാംലേജി ഉണ്ട്. അദ്ദേഹം, നമുക്കറിയാം, ഏതൊരു ഫിലോസഫിയും ജനങ്ങൾക്ക് പോയി, ഫിലോസഫി എല്ലാം നല്ലത് തന്നെ, പക്ഷേ അത് ശരിയായ അർത്ഥത്തിൽ മനസ്സിലാക്കുന്നില്ല എങ്കിൽ അത് നാശത്തിലേക്കാണ് വഴിവെക്കുക. പക്ഷെ അങ്ങനെയുള്ള നാശത്തിലേക്ക് വഴിവെക്കാതിരിക്കണം എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നല്ല ഒരു ചിന്താഗതിയോട് കൂടിയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ശ്രേഷ്ഠമായ വ്യക്തിത്വത്തിന് ഉടമയായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരാൾക്ക് മാത്രമേ അതൊക്കെ ചെയ്യാൻ സാധിക്കുള്ളൂ. അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെയുള്ള ഒരു മഹത് വ്യക്തിത്വമാണ് നമ്മൾക്ക് ദാംലേജിയിൽ കാണാൻ സാധിക്കുന്നത്. എൻ്റെ അനുഭവം കൊണ്ട് ഒരു 2002 തൊട്ട് 5 വരെ ഞാൻ ദാംലേജിയുമായിട്ട് എനിക്ക് സമ്പർക്കം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. എനിക്കറിയാം അദ്ദേഹം ഏത് രീതിയിലാണ് ഓരോരുത്തരെയും ഉയർത്തിക്കൊണ്ടുവരാൻ അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ ഭാഗത്തു നിന്നുള്ള പ്രയത്നം എന്താണെന്ന് എനിക്കറിയാം. അതിനൊരു ബെസ്റ്റ് എക്സാമ്പിൾ എന്നുള്ള രീതിയിൽ പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ, ഫിലോസഫി ആൻഡ് ഈസ്തറ്റിക് സെൻസ് ബ്ലെൻഡഡ് ടുഗദർ ഈസ് വാട്ട് ദാംലേജി ഈസ് എന്ന് വേണമെങ്കിൽ പറയാൻ സാധിക്കും. അത്രയും നല്ല ഒരു വ്യക്തിത്വത്തിന് ഉടമയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഓരോരുത്തർക്കും. അപ്പൊ എന്തൊക്കെ ഒരു ഉത്തമ അധ്യാപകന് ഏതൊക്കെ രീതിയിലുള്ള ക്വാളിറ്റീസ് വേണോ, ശിഷ്യന്മാരെ നന്നായിട്ട് നല്ല വഴിയിൽ നടത്താൻ ഗൈഡ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ഒരു കഴിവ്, അത് ദാംലേജിയിൽ നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ സാധിക്കും. അങ്ങനെയുള്ള ഒരു നല്ല വ്യക്തിത്വത്തിൽ നിന്ന് വരുന്ന ഒരു കാര്യമാണ് കണ്ണന്റെ നറുവെണ്ണ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഈ മഹത്തായ പ്രോഗ്രാം. അപ്പൊ ഇതില് നമ്മൾക്കെല്ലാം ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, ഇതിനെ നല്ല രീതിയിൽ മുന്നോട്ട് കൊണ്ടുപോകാൻ നമ്മൾക്ക് സാധിക്കണം. അതിനുള്ള എല്ലാ കഴിവുകളും അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ എന്നെ പോലെയുള്ള പല ആൾക്കാരിലും ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. നമ്മൾക്കിത് മുന്നോട്ട് നല്ല രീതിയിൽ കൊണ്ടുപോകാൻ സാധിക്കട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നിർത്തുന്നു. നമസ്കാരം. ജയതു സംസ്കൃതം, ജയതു ഭാരതം, ജയതു ഭഗവത്ഗീത. ഇത് എല്ലാ വിഷയങ്ങളും നല്ല ജനങ്ങളിലേക്കും എത്തട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നിർത്തുന്നു. നമസ്കാരം.
സദാശിവസാരംഭാം ശങ്കരാചാര്യമധ്യമാം അസ്മദാചാര്യപര്യന്താം വന്ദേ ഗുരുപരമ്പരാം. ഹരി ഓം. ജയ് ശ്രീ കൃഷ്ണ. Respected Madhusudan R. Damleji, Founder President, Midam Charitable Trust, Bhavana ji, Professor in Pathology, Jitmar Hospital, Pondicherry, Sri Murali Krishna ji, a Sanskrit scholar, Sri Sushrut, Member, Midam Charitable Trust, all other Punyatmas watching this program. It's a great pleasure that today the Malayalam version of the Krishna's Butter project, Kannante Naruvenna, Kuttikale Samarthanakkan, is released by Shri Madhusudan Damleji. ഭഗവത്ഗീതയുടെ തത്വങ്ങളെ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് ദഹിക്കുന്ന രീതിയിൽ അവതരിപ്പിക്കുക എന്നത് അയത്ന ലളിതമായ കാര്യമല്ല. ശ്രീമതി ഭാവനാജി വർഷങ്ങളായി ഗീതായജ്ഞത്തിൽ മുഴുകിയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. നിരവധി കുട്ടികളെ അവർ ഗീത അഭ്യസിപ്പിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആംഗല ഭാഷയിൽ ആരംഭിച്ച ഈ യജ്ഞം പിന്നീട് ഹിന്ദി, മറാഠി ഭാഷകളിലും വ്യാപിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. ഇന്നിതാ ഇതിന്റെ മലയാള രൂപാന്തരണവും ആരംഭിക്കുകയാണ്. ഉടൻ തന്നെ തമിഴ്, കന്നഡ ഭാഷകളിലും ഈ യജ്ഞം ആരംഭിക്കാൻ പോവുകയാണ്. ശ്രീമദ് ഭഗവത്ഗീതയുടെ മലയാള പരിഭാഷ വളരെ ശ്രമകരമായ ഒരു ദൗത്യമായിരുന്നു. ഭഗവാൻ കൃഷ്ണന്റെ അനുഗ്രഹം കൊണ്ട് മാത്രമാണ് ഈ കാര്യം സാധ്യമായത്. ഞാൻ ഹെഡ് മാസ്റ്ററായി സ്ഥാനക്കയറ്റം ലഭിച്ച് പുതുച്ചേരിയിൽ എത്തിയപ്പോൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ മാസം 17-ാം തീയതി പ്രകാശനം ചെയ്ത യമുനാതീര വിഹാരം എന്ന പുസ്തകത്തെ കുറിച്ച് എന്റെ പ്രിൻസിപ്പലായ ശ്രീ ജോസ് മാത്യു സാറിനോട് സംസാരിക്കുകയുണ്ടായി. തുടർന്ന് അദ്ദേഹമാണ് എനിക്ക് കൃഷ്ണാസ് ബട്ടർ പ്രോജക്റ്റിനെ കുറിച്ചും ഭാവനാജിയെ കുറിച്ചും പറഞ്ഞു തന്നത്. തുടർന്ന് ഭാവനാജിയെ പരിചയപ്പെടാൻ അവസരം ലഭിച്ചു. കൃഷ്ണാസ് ബട്ടറിന്റെ മലയാള രൂപാന്തരണം, മലയാള പരിഭാഷ നടത്താൻ ഉള്ള ദൗത്യം അവർ എന്നെ ഏൽപ്പിച്ചു. കൃഷ്ണന്റെ നിയോഗമായി ആ ദൗത്യത്തെ കണ്ടതുകൊണ്ടാവാം വളരെ പെട്ടെന്ന് തന്നെ ആ പ്രവൃത്തി പൂർത്തിയാക്കാൻ എനിക്ക് സാധിച്ചു. 1 മാസത്തിനകം തന്നെ മലയാള പരിഭാഷ പൂർത്തിയാക്കി മിതം ആശ്രമത്തിന് സമർപ്പിക്കാൻ എനിക്ക് സാധിച്ചു. സർവചരാചരങ്ങളിലും ഈശ്വര ചൈതന്യം കുടികൊള്ളുന്നു എന്ന പരമമായ സത്യം തിരിച്ചറിഞ്ഞ് കാമ, ക്രോധ, ലോഭ, മോഹാദികളിൽ നിന്നും മതമാത്സര്യങ്ങളിൽ നിന്നും മുക്തി നേടി ഒരു നല്ല തലമുറയെ വാർത്തെടുക്കാൻ ഈ പുസ്തകം സഹായിക്കുമെന്ന് പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കുന്നു. It was not at all an easy task to translate Krishna's Butter into Malayalam. I had to simplify the language in the level of the children. It was possible only because of the blessing showered by the God Krishna upon me. The guidance given by Sri Damleji, Bhavanaji, Principal Sir and my father also helped to complete the work in time. I hope that this book will help the Malayali children across the globe to understand the essence of Bhagavad Gita in their own mother tongue. It's my great privilege to express my gratitude to Sri Madhusudan R. Damleji, the founder president of Midam Charitable Trust, for releasing this book. Thank you, sir. Bhavanaji is a great personality who is spreading the essence of Bhagavad Gita for many years. She only gave birth to the Krishna's Butter Project and this book. It's a great essence for the entire human community. I would like to thank Madam Bhavana for this wonderful work and introducing the book. Sri Murali Krishnan Ji is a Sanskrit scholar and a social worker of Kerala. He was associated with Midam Trust for many years. As soon as I completed the Malayalam translation of Krishna's Butter Project, it was Murali Krishnan Ji who cross-checked the translation. Today, he attended the program and felicitated. So I would like to express my thanks to Sri Murali Krishnan Ji on this occasion. Sushrut, just like my brother, he was in action as soon as I took over this assignment. He was organizing the program, he was organizing the printing, he was organizing the ISBN number, everything was organized by him. I would like to express my special gratitude to Sushrut for organizing such a wonderful program. The printers of Nagpur who printed the book beautifully, they also deserve the great applause. I would like to congratulate and thank the printers of Nagpur in this occasion. Not but the least, but I would like to thank all Punyatmas, Mahatmas watching this program and virtually attending the function. Thank you one and all. Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Krishna.